Heal yourself from acid reflux, find an effective natural remedy. Have you been suffering for a long time from gastro-esophageal reflux disorder and helplessly tried all the alternative drugs that just ended up to tolerance? And you don't even make yourself feel better at all? Then you become sluggish and lose your appetite to go out and meet with friends or any other activities. Most probably you're just making the drug companies wealthier by patronizing a product that doesn't even heal you at all. When you become addicted to the prescribed drug, it seems that you can no longer live without it. So put a stop to your suffering and heal yourself effectively. There are better natural remedies that can provide the cure that you actually need. No side effects. No addiction. And with steps so easy to follow. The only thing you have to do is to make it a part of your system. Studies show that treatment of acid reflux disease does not only fall on attacking the GERD alone, but on treating the whole person. This means that the individual infected by the disease should inculcate a good living habit while taking medicines. The primary habit that must be corrected to outweed the acid reflux is the change of dietary habits. Since the disease involves abnormal stomach acid production, the person must stay away from certain foods that trigger or aggravate acid reflux. Fatty and acidic foods must be avoided in preparing meals for those who have excess acid production. The same case is true on alcohol, caffeine, and soft drinks. This will prevent the symptoms, such as heartburn, to occur. A severe smoking habit must also be stopped. Paradoxical and scientific basis had proven how smoking could worsen the acid reflux disease, plus the risk that it can give to those people who do not yet have the disease. Those who smoke regularly are 70% vulnerable to get a gastroesophageal reflux disease, compared to those who do not smoke. And the symptoms of those who are suffering from the disease are doubled due to this bad habit. This spells out to doubling of the pain that they also have to suffer. For almost any body disorder, the chief advice is exercise. Perhaps this universal cure could be so powerful that it covers a wide range of diseases. Exercise does not only keep the body parts functioning properly, more so, it uplifts the spirit. If you feel tired and sluggish and you still confine yourself in a corner, the sicker you will most likely get. Besides, the early morning sun is so soothing to strained body systems that it can easily transform it to an energetic one. Modifying a lifestyle includes the avoidance of lying down right after a meal. Enough time must be given for the stomach to properly digest the food before slumber. Also, eating must be avoided 2 hours before sleeping. And when it's time to sleep, there is also a system to be followed. The head must be elevated than the body. The altitude of the elevation must be about 6 to 8 inches. A great percentage of those who follow this method find a complete relief from the acid reflux disease. These simple tips will work well in the combination of herbal products. And if you keep a good system of eating, exercising, and avoiding things that pollutes you, you are healing yourself better than any drugs can.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.